So yesterday, LG revealed the V40 ThinQ, which is their 5-camera phone. That's what they're using in marketing. That's what they're going to call it. That's what they're going to, that's what you're going to see. Why have 2 cameras when you got 5? So we're going to get into, we had to, spend some time with it, got a chance to check it out. They had some great lighting, which is very rare, believe it or not. And we're going to, tell you our initial thoughts on what we think about the phone with 5 cameras. Think of it as 5 cameras to help you catch every angle. Before we get into the specs, let's go into the shooters. So there are 5 cameras in total, 2 in the front, 3 in the rear. So the front offers a standard 8 megapixel and then standard and then wide angle 5 megapixel lens. So on the rear you have f1.5 12 megapixel sensor, a super wide angle f1.9 16 megapixel sensor with a 107-degree view, and the f2.4 telephoto portrait sensor with 2x optical zoom. Rear shooters can take a photo using all 3 lenses, giving you 3 different angles of your shot. Called a triple shot, where you can get a GIF of all 3 of them, boom, 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 or you could just pick which one you want to use and then go with that. So in regards to the rest of the specs, have a very tall 6.4-inch OLED QHD display. This brings over the super bright mode as well. Has a Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 gigs of RAM instead of the 4, 64 gigs of storage, expandable via micro SD, running Android Oreo, IP68 dust and water resistant body, headphone jack with a 32-bit quad DAC, boombox speaker from the G7, fast wireless charging, and a 3300 milliamp battery that LG suggests can go all day. We'll have to check it out to find out how true that is. It's a bit on the tall side for me, so it's like I have big hands, so in regards to one-hand navigation, it's a little tough. So, and we'll see how that, if we get a review, and we'll see how that all works out. Other than that, I think it's a great phone. I still dig the G7, even though it's not like a phone that's on people's radar. It's a great phone. Pre-orders kick off, yesterday. Phones goes on sale October 18th. Pricing ranges from $900 to $980 depending on your carrier. Unfortunately, it's a bit on the high side. But for those of you who pre-order, you get a sweet bundle that includes a DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal and a 256 gig micro SD card for free, which is pretty good. So is this the LG device you've been waiting for? Are you going to stick with the G7, or are you looking for something completely different? So thanks for watching. You could be anywhere in the world. You're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.